Welcome to our deep dive into the history of food innovation. Today, we're going to explore how our daily staples have evolved over time. It's a roller coaster of innovation, necessity, and cultural exchange. From basic essentials to modern-day concoctions, food has transformed dramatically. Get ready to learn, because this is going to be a wild ride. Before refrigerators, our ancestors had to get creative. They didn't have the luxury of simply storing their food in a cool, controlled environment. To keep food from spoiling, they had to rely on natural methods and their ingenuity. Imagine hunting a mammoth only to have it rot a few days later. Enter food preservation pioneers. These early humans had to think ahead and plan for the future. Using techniques like salting, drying, and smoking, they extended the shelf life of their food. These methods were not just about survival, but also about making the most of their hard-earned resources. Salting draws out moisture and inhibits bacterial growth. This method was particularly useful for preserving meat and fish, which could then be stored for long periods. Drying removes moisture and prevents spoilage, giving food a unique flavor. This technique was often used for fruits, vegetables, and herbs, making them last through the seasons. These methods were simple but effective. They didn't require any special equipment, just knowledge and patience. Our ancestors understood the fundamentals of preservation. They knew that by controlling moisture and temperature, they could keep their food safe to eat. They knew how to make food last, and that's what mattered. Their techniques laid the groundwork for the preservation methods we use today. So next time you complain about your food going bad, think back to these early innovators. They managed to preserve their food without any of the modern conveniences we take for granted. They figured it out without modern conveniences. Their resourcefulness and ingenuity ensured their survival and paved the way for future generations. Let's talk about spices, the lifeblood of any decent kitchen. Forget fancy gadgets. Spices are where it's at. Back in the day, spices were like gold dust. Merchants risked their lives to bring back these culinary treasures. Spices added flavor, aroma, and a touch of the exotic to bland dishes. We're talking pepper, cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg. These spices were status symbols, representing wealth and power. The spice trade connected East and West, shaping empires and cuisines. So next time you sprinkle pepper on your food, appreciate the history behind it. It's a tale of adventure and flavor. For centuries, humans hunted and gathered their food. They roamed vast landscapes, following the migration patterns of animals and the seasonal growth of plants. This nomadic lifestyle was the foundation of human survival. Then came the agricultural revolution, a game changer. It marked the transition from hunting and gathering to settled farming communities. Humans started growing their food instead of chasing it. This shift allowed for more stable food supplies and the ability to support larger populations. This was a pivotal moment in history, leading to the development of civilization. Villages grew into towns and towns into cities. With agriculture came the domestication of plants and animals. This symbiotic relationship between humans and nature was revolutionary. Food became more abundant and accessible, leading to population growth and cities. Markets flourished and trade routes expanded. But agriculture was hard work, requiring dedication and skill. Farmers toiled from dawn to dusk, mastering the art of cultivation. It was a constant battle against the elements and pests. Droughts, floods, and infestations could devastate entire harvests. Despite the challenges, the agricultural revolution transformed the way we live and eat. Innovations in farming techniques continued to evolve. Its legacy continues to shape our world today. Modern agriculture owes much to these early advancements, ensuring food security for billions. The Industrial Revolution changed everything, including our food. Out went small-scale production, in came mass production. Factories churned out canned goods, processed meats, and refined sugars. Food became more affordable and accessible. But it also marked the beginning of our love affair with processed foods. Convenience often trumped quality. The Industrial Revolution revolutionized food production, but also sowed the seeds for health challenges. It's a double-edged sword. The rise of fast food is a tale of convenience and affordability. Over the decades, it has become a staple in our daily lives, offering quick solutions to our hunger pangs. It started with simple offerings like burgers, fries and milkshakes, which quickly became iconic symbols of American culture. Fast food chains popped up everywhere, offering greasy, salty, addictive tastes that were hard to resist. These establishments became ubiquitous, found in every city and town. It was fast, cheap, and appealed to our cravings for something quick and satisfying. The convenience factor made it a go-to option for busy individuals and families. But fast food is the culinary equivalent of a train wreck. It's often loaded with unhealthy ingredients, contributing to various health issues. It's messy, chaotic, and bad for you, but you can't help but indulge. The allure of fast food lies in its ability to provide instant gratification. Fast food reflects our fast-paced lives and desire for instant gratification. It's a mirror to our society's need for speed and efficiency. It's a symbol of modern society, representing both our advancements and our pitfalls. We need to be mindful of what we're consuming. The choices we make today can have long-term effects on our health and well-being. A little indulgence is fine, but a steady diet of fast food is a recipe for disaster. Moderation is key to maintaining a healthy lifestyle. After decades of processed food, the organic movement emerged. People realized that chemicals and artificial ingredients weren't good for us. Farmers' markets and organic produce became popular. The organic movement is about sustainability, ethical farming, and knowing where your food comes from. It's about rejecting the industrial food complex and demanding better. Support local farmers, buy organic when you can, and read the ingredients list. Be conscious of your choices. The future of food is wilder than a Michelin-starred menu. We're talking lab-grown meats, AI-driven farms, and personalized nutrition. Lab-grown meat is a reality, potentially revolutionizing protein consumption. Imagine a world without factory farms with meat grown in labs. AI-driven farms optimize crop yields and reduce waste. It's like having expert farmers working around the clock. The future of food is full of possibilities, some exciting, some bizarre. It's going to be a wild ride. Embrace the unknown and get ready for a culinary adventure. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the history of food innovation. We've covered a lot, from salting and drying to lab-grown meat. The story of food innovation is far from over. What do you think is the next big thing in food? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos.